students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of standard first and name of the poem is Yes, me, myself and I. Yes, dear children, this girl is telling that her name is Sonu. What is her name? Her name is Sonu. She is telling that I am Sonu. Myself is Sonu. Yes. Me, Sonu. Yes, we will learn the meaning of these three words, that is me, myself and I through Sonu. Okay? This is me, M-E, me. Okay? Here you can see Sonu. She is telling this is me. Okay? And the second word is myself. M-Y, my, S-E-L-F, self. That is myself. See the picture. Again Sonu. She is telling myself, Sonu. Now here the third word, I. Again see the picture. Again Sonu. She is telling I am Sonu. Okay, what is the meaning of these three words? Me, again Sonu, myself, Sonu, I am Sonu. Yes, dear children, here me, myself and I together say the same meaning. That is mera, मैं. Okay? In Hindi, मैं. For this, me, myself and I. The meaning is same, but we use in different positions or different sentences. We use these three different words to tell about her own self or one's own. अपने आप के बारे में बोलते वक्त हम लोग ये थ्री वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, मी, माई सेल्फ एंड आई, इन अलग अलग कंडीशंस में. ओके, द मीनिंग इज सेम. गॉट दिस चिल्ड्रन? ओके, मी, माई सेल्फ एंड आई. Here it is given, listen, sing and act. You know the meaning of listen? सुनना है अपने को अच्छी तरह से. Sing, गाना गाना है. And act, acting करना है. Listen, sing and act. Okay? Me, myself and I. You know the meaning now? Me, myself and I. See, this girl is telling me, myself and I. Here she is telling we three. No, she is a single girl. Okay? We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. We went to the kitchen. Here she went to the kitchen and you can see here the pie. Pie means cake like. Okay? Or pizza you can say like that. Here you can see the picture. This is a pie. She went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then what happened? Then my mother, she came in. Yes, she came inside the kitchen. Who came here? Mother. Her mother. See here, mother and she. She means here mother. Okay. Then my mother, she came in. Where she came? She came to the kitchen. and chased us out with a rolling pin. See the instrument or the tool in her hand, that is rolling pin. Okay, that rolling pin means she chased us with a rolling pin. Yes, उसने क्या किया, मम्मी ने ये लड़की को डराया, बेलन लेके डराया. रोलिंग पिन मीन्स बेलन. डराया, सो क्या हो गया, लड़की किचन से भाग गई. यस, रिटन बाय एनोनिमस मीन्स no name is there of the poet. Got this? Again we will read. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. I hope you understood about the poem. राइट. एक लड़की थी, मी, माई सेल्फ एंड आई. हम तीनों मिलके क्या किए, किचन में गए और पाई खाए. ओके. आफ्टर दैट हर मदर केम इनसाइड द किचन एंड शी चेज्ड अस आउट विथ अ रोलिंग पिन. अच्छा है ना? आपके घर में भी ऐसा होता होगा, राइट? गुड. Now dear children, we will try to sing this poem. Okay, me, myself and I. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Again. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Once again, we will go through the poem. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate the pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Yes, dear children, you have to by heart this poem because this is only 4 lines poem, isn't it? So it is very easy to by heart and nice one also. Correct? Okay, try to by heart. Next, look and say. Here we will go through some words, new words, okay, and we will try to say these words using correct pronunciation. Okay, the first word is myself. MYSELF, myself. Single word, this is myself. Yes, you know what is the meaning of myself? मैं. Myself means मैं. Okay. Second word is KITCHEN, kitchen. Come on. KITCHEN, kitchen. You know, this is our kitchen where our mother prepares the food, isn't it? This is kitchen. Okay. Third word is ate. A-T-E, ate. This is the past tense of eat. खाना खा रही है, खाना खा के हो गया. होने के बाद क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? ate. खाना खाते वक्त eating. खाना खाने के बाद I ate my food. Okay? Ate means हो गया, खाना खा के हो गया. What this? Okay, once again we will read this. Myself. Myself. This is kitchen. This is ate. A-T-E, 8. Okay. Next word, that is P-I-E, pie. See, this is a pie. For this, pie. Okay, you can say that like a cake or pizza. Okay, mostly it is a sweet dish. Pie. Next is chase. You can see the picture here. The cat is chasing a dog. Right? पीछे पड़ना, chase. C-H-A-S-E, chase. Again, C-H-A-S-E, chase. Next thing is rolling pin. R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling. P-I-N, pin. Rolling pin. See this picture, belan. Rolling pin means belan. Mother uses this to make rotis. Correct? This is called belan in Hindi, and in English, rolling pin. Got this? Now, dear children, here a girl. She is going to tell about herself. Okay, now she is telling, I will tell something about myself. Yes, my name is, how we will start, see this, my name is Sonali. What is this? What is her name? My name is Sonali. Means her name is Sonali. Okay, now we will read what she writes here and what she tells about herself. We will go through. Okay, my name is Sonali. I am studying in standard first. I am studying in standard first. She is from your class. Her name is Sonali. Next thing is, I am dash years old. She is 6 years old. Okay. Next thing is, I live in dash. Where is the place? You have to write here place. Okay. I live in Kurla. She is telling that I live in Kurla, a place where she stays. Next, my friend's name is, yes, she is having a best friend, close friend. My friend's name is Sweetie. Yes. Okay. Next thing is, my hobby is, what she likes to do? Okay, drawing. My hobby is drawing. Then, my favorite color is dash. You can see here, her favorite color is, yes, pink. Yes, dear children, she told something about herself. What this? Again we will read, my name is dash. Here you have to write your name. She has written Sonali. I am studying in standard first. I am 6 years old. I live in Kurla. My friend's name is Sweetie. My hobby is drawing. Whenever she gets the time, she draws the picture. Correct? So that is her hobby. My favorite color is pink. Okay, like this you also try to write about yourself. Okay, one more we will go through. This is a boy. He is also going to tell about himself. Okay, we will see. My name is Raju. Please observe carefully. Okay, my name is Raju. I am studying in standard first. He is also from your class. I am studying in standard first. I am dash years old. He is also 6 years old. I live in Dadar. Okay, it is a place where he has his house. My friend's name is Soham. Got this? And my hobby is swimming. He likes to swim. So his hobby is swimming. My favorite color is, yes, blue. His favorite color is blue. Got this, children? Here we have the example of a girl and also a boy, right? Now, dear children, tell about yourself and write it in a few lines. Yes, this all you can use from here, and only you have to write your name, your class, your age, your place of living, and your friend's name, and your hobby you have to write here, and which color you like, that you have to write here. Okay? Are you going to try this? Okay, good. Throw the ball. This is a game. Okay, there are some rules that we will go through before playing the game. You know that every game has some rules. We have to follow these rules and we have to play the game, isn't it? Okay, we will see the rules first. Here, throw the ball. Here 5 to 6 children are needed to play this game. Throw the ball. Okay. Now what to do here? First, stand in a circle. Yes. Here, how the children they are standing in a circle? Like that, you have to stand in a circle and you have to follow the social distancing. Okay. Here you have to stand a little away from each other. Okay. And you have to make a circle. Got this? Number 2, take the ball. You can see here the ball and tell your name. Okay. What is the second thing? Take the ball and tell your name. Third thing is throw the ball to your friend. First you have to take the ball and you will begin the game by telling your name and you are throwing the ball to your friend. Correct? Then what to ask here? And ask him or her, what's your name? While throwing the ball, you have to ask that friend, what's your name? Like this you have to ask. Then after that, the girl or the boy, they catch the ball and tell their name. Means if she catches, then she will tell her name. The boy catches, then the boy will tell his name. Okay? Like this, the game will continue until everyone gets a chance. Got this? Here he will throw to this girl and this girl will throw to this boy. Like this, each and everyone from the circle will get the chance to play. Okay? Are you ready to play? Okay, we will start our game. Yes, here the children are standing in a circle and a boy threw a ball and he asked, what's your name? Yes. Okay, now she caught the ball. My name is Sonu. Yes, she said her name. My name is Sonu. Now what she has to do? She has to throw the ball to other boy or girl. Yes, she is throwing a ball to that girl and she's asking, "What's your name?" Now, what is the work of this girl? She has to catch the ball and she has to tell her name, right? Yes, she told, "My name is Sana." What this like this, the game will continue. Yes, dear children, if you have 4 to 5 children in your locality where you stay now, then try to play this game. It will give you very fun. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.